Hey, this is Martina with Taylor & Son Chevrolet here in Ponderay, Idaho. I'm going to do a quick walk around video of the 2019 Dodge Caravan. I don't see any scratches so far. Windshield is nice. Oh, just dirt. Some more dirt. That's about it. No scratches, no dings. Might be a little scuff there. Got some mud, that's okay, North Idaho. Yeah, I'm not even seeing any scratch or dings. No body damage, Clean Carfax Report. Just gonna open it up quick to give you an idea. Ooh, super clean van. Beautiful van. Leather's in beautiful shape, carpet's in beautiful shape. All right, 2019 Dodge Caravan.